Are you troubled by frequent sneezing and itchy nose due to allergies? Don't let allergic rhinitis affect your daily life and work efficiency. Introducing Herb Island Essential Oil Nasal Stick, your allergy relief expert, featuring a premium natural formula, refreshing peppermint, breathing balanced rosemary, and purifying tea tree oil, perfectly blended into a unique formula. Gentle vapor provides quick relief, while pure aromatics soothe your nasal passages, instantly relieving annoying sneezing and itching. Quick relief from allergy symptoms with long-lasting comfort, portable and ready to use anytime. All natural plant-based formula, gentle with no irritation. Value pack of 5 sticks meets your allergy care needs for months. Order now to enjoy limited time special offers, break free from allergy troubles, and return to a refreshing, comfortable life. Herb Island, making every breath free from allergy worries.